What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you through YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and for your interest in this money making lead. If this is the first time joining this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share, and comment in the comment section what country you're watching from. I'm always interested in meeting new people, learning where you're from, so on and so forth. Before we jump into the video, let us do some housekeeping real quickly. In the description, there are some links that are geared towards helping you make money online. Some of them are to books. Some of those links to books are free. There's one called it's called You Were Born Rich by Bob Proctor. If you've never heard of him, he was one of the leading transformative speakers, helping people realize the potential they have and tapping into that potential and making the most of the life that they have to live, this life. Okay. I said he was because he passed away 2 weeks ago. I've read that book probably 3 times, and there are many more times to come. It doesn't matter how many times I've read that book, as long as it's not 0. You need to read it at least once. But what matters is how much you apply what you've learned. Okay. It's free, and it's in the link to that is in the description below. There's also links to online businesses that you can set up that teach you how to make money passively. So you can set it up. You do have to check on it from time to time, but you can set it up and create content. Like maybe you have an Instagram account, maybe you want to use your YouTube channel, maybe you want to use your TikTok account, or maybe you just want to run paid ads. Whichever case, you drive traffic to that link or to that product that you're promoting, and you can make commissions from the sale of those products. And the more content you make, the better, because once you get to a point where people just come to your page naturally, then you can have sales daily without even doing much. So check the links in the description below. They are very informative. They're very easy to understand. Some are videos, some are written text, right? But all in all, the knowledge is life-changing. So check the links in the description below. All right. So let's just make a note. Check links in description. Okay. Awesome. So let's go forward. Right now we're going to be looking at a lead as a software as a service SaaS writer. So you're a software as a service writer at a company called Codeless Interactive Limited Liability Company. Okay. At the time of this recording, it is 6:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 21st of February 2022. Okay. So at the time of this recording, this lead was posted 1 hour ago. So this lead will be posted on the 22nd of February 2022, just so you know. So there's a frame of reference. Okay. So it is a freelance opportunity, so it's not full-time, or rather it's not permanent. Let me say that. It's not a permanent role. It is freelance, but you are able to work from various locations across the globe because it is an international role. All right. Now, when you press this link, that chain link looking icon there, it links you to the website and you can learn more about the company. I strongly recommend you do this because there's a lot of information you can pick up from the website that you won't just by reading the description of the job. Okay. It says that they specialize in business growth strategies built around topic expertise and long-form blog content at volume. So you can scroll through the web page. You can get a feel of what the company is like. They have several clients like Monday.com Active Campaign, which is a big, lead generation software. There's Robinhood, which is a big investor company. Freshworks, Zapier. We featured Zapier on this channel before. Espresso, Chargify. There are a bunch of big names. You can read through some reviews by clients and their their experience with working with them. There's a bunch of stuff. You could even go through their menu, look through what type of services they offer, results people have gotten, pricing, and so forth. Okay, it's always important to do your homework so that you can wow and shock your interviewers. I mean, you follow this channel anyways, of course you're an all-star. Now again, it's an internationally location based. You can work from anywhere. It's 100% remote and it is freelance. So they greet us by saying, hi there, Codeless is a content production agency looking to add depth to our writer bench. We're looking for committed freelance writers with a wide range of experience in the software as a service and business to business space. You'd be writing 1,000 to 2,000 word pieces for a number of industry leading clients, typically around content marketing and SEO, or search engine optimization is what SEO stands for. Project management, marketing automation, digital advertising, subscription management, and more. Please provide links to recent examples of published content. We'll provide you with a clear writing process, support documentation for every client, and an editorial team. We look forward to hearing from you. And signed, Rachel. Short, sweet, to the point. Managing editor at Codeless, that's Rachel. So if you want to apply, hit the apply for job button. They'll review what we just spoke of. Okay. And to apply, you just hit that purple apply button. But if you are signed in with Indeed, then you can hit that option. But let's say you don't have Indeed. You hit the apply for job button. Okay. Enter your name, your email address, your full name, that is, email address. What is your vertical expertise? Fill in that field. What is your 2K rate? What is your 1K rate? When can you start? Please copy and paste a URL to a recent published writing sample. No Google Docs if possible, please. And then you submit your application. And it is literally that easy, that breezy. You're practically a cover girl. Easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl. To how simple this thing is, right? Simple. Again, I want to encourage you to do your due diligence, right? There are many entities around the place that forever try to get your information, your contact information, to message you or solicit some sort of payment information from you. Never give out your personal information to any entity you don't trust. Do your due diligence, meaning do background checks, verify contact details. So if someone from the company emails you, verify it. All right. Make sure the company itself is legit before you give out certain information, before you even respond to emails and stuff like that. I don't know how these people get your information. I don't know how people go about getting email addresses and stuff, but people are crafty. There are people waiting to just get some form of information, to just spam you a bunch of stuff. Okay? Don't be silly. Be smart. Right? And reminder, also be safe. We're still going through this period where this virus is still raging. So be safe, protect yourselves, and be the best that you can be. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you are a writer and you are interested in writing as a software as a service writer for a business to business company, check out this link, this lead, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.